what is Blue Willow, how we can use it, and of course, how we can make money with it. So, Blue Willow, it's a new AI tool. It will generate images based on the prompts. It is basically like Midjourney, as you all know Midjourney, but it is free, okay? All of these, now you have to pay for on Midjourney. But on Blue Willow, you don't have to pay it still. So, if you want to create images like this one, head over to bluewillow.ai and just join the free beta, okay? It will just lead you to Discord, just like that Midjourney is. And of course, then you just have to create the prompts and create the images. But I'm going to tell you how you can use Blue Willow on complete autopilot and how you can train another AI tool in order to use Blue Willow to give you the prompts, because afterwards, giving those prompts is a skill. Okay, and that's why people get a lot of money with it. I'm going to show you. But first of all, click on join the free beta. You will be led to the Discord server. You will be invited. You just join that server right there. And then you will be greeted with this one. Okay, you choose your language. If you have a need for another one, click on the next. And then what do you want to be notified for? I tend to just skip this. I don't want any notifications. You see here that Blue Willow is free and supported by the community with voluntary payments. So it's voluntary. You don't have to pay for it. So just exclude these. Don't tick them. Click on the finish. Choose this option. No, I don't have the financial means to help. Click on the finish. And of course, you will be led inside. So right away you can see to create an AI generated image, go to one of the rookie channels on the left. Now, just make sure that you have verified your Discord email. And then what do you have to do? You have to type imagine, so /imagine, then a space, and after the prompt. Okay, so it is working at the same way Midjourney is working. Okay, so just imagine, space, and enter that prompt. So let's head over to these rookie channels so I can show you that it is the exact same thing, okay? You can see that it is really the exact same thing. But this one, you don't have to pay for. I'm just going to switch to Midjourney so I can show you. It is the same thing. Newbies, it's called here. And you can see the same pictures, the same, you get 4 designs. Then you can choose which one of these you want to get. But if you switch over back to Blue Willow, you can see the same thing. So if you want to get this one, you just go with U2, for example, for the second picture. But if you want to get the version, a different version of this picture, you just go with V2. So it's the same thing. But now, of course, how we can create these totally on autopilot, okay? Well, this is the thing that you got to do. First of all, open your Edge browser, Microsoft Edge. I know. Nevertheless, open Edge browser and go and search for Bing Chat. Okay, so you can just search for Bing Chat. And you know that Bing AI is similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so it's a chatbot, and of course, it gives you the information. But the main difference between this one and ChatGPT is that Bing uses the internet. Okay, so that's the main difference, and it is so powerful because with ChatGPT, you just get pre-uploaded information, which is to 2021, if I'm not mistaken. But with this one, you get to search the internet. I mean, Bing does. So you can create these prompts because Bing will learn how to use Blue Willow or Midjourney, whatever. This is what you have to tell to ChatGPT, I mean Bing.ai. So look up how to create prompts for image generation with Blue Willow. So what is this going to do? Well, he's going to look it up, okay? So he's going to search the internet, just as you would do. So for example, if you want to do this manually, you would read that on Discord. And of course, you would just go on Google and you would just search, do a bit of a research to see which prompts work the best and what do you have to put in there. So that's the first sentence that you have to use. Then go and write use what you learned. So it will learn and then it will use it to create an image of whatever. I just typed in hyper-realistic dog sitting in front of the Eiffel Tower. So now you just put that response and you just wait for it. It's totally different than ChatGPT, okay? I think that you can learn ChatGPT this as well, but it's harder, you know? This will just go and look up on the internet. So you can see it right here, searching for how to create these prompts. And now it will go and search. And what this will do as well, it will just give you the references. So according to the article titled name, and this is the reference, and it'll give you the reference there. So it went to the official bluewillow.ai page to learn how to make those prompts. So it even gives you the analytics of what he or she or it learned. So you can see be specific, use specific and detailed language in your prompts, use adjectives, use references, and of course, based on these tips, a possible prompt for creating this image will be the next one. So what do you have to do now? You just have to copy and paste. You just take this prompt, copy that, and we go back to Blue Willow. I'm just going to scroll down so we can see this in action. I'm just going to go down there to the bottom so I can just find because there's a lot of people who are using this. I mean, there's a lot of crowded space. So I'm just going to paste that. Firstly, of course, we just have to go imagine, then space, and then I'm going to paste that prompt. I'm going to click enter key, and that's it. Here is my prompt, okay? Now I just have to wait for it, of course, just like on Midjourney, and I'm just going to show you once it's done. And here it is. Here's my dog sitting in front of the Eiffel Tower, okay? Of course, I got a few different versions, 4 of them. And for example, if I want to go and I want to work on this one, the first one, I can just click on the version 1 and I can get a whole different variations on that, so I can just go and see which variations I've got. And if you like certain picture, you just click on U1. So it means that you are going to take that first one. All right. So that's it. Not hard, not complicated. You can do a lot of things. You just have to get the customers now. And how you can do that coming up. First of all, Fiverr.com. I know it's a lot of competition, but for AI services, it's not. Just take a look at this. If you head over to AI services, you have Midjourney artists, you have DALL-E, and you have Stable Diffusion. But you can easily go to Midjourney because it is the same thing. And you can see only 12,000 services available. And for example, you can get $15 to $60 per each one of those prompts. Okay, so a lot of people are doing it. They can get a lot of money. Just take a look at this person, $20 for each one of these, and he already sold 187 of these. And if all these people are doing it, you can do it as well. You just have to start it up. The next thing that you can do is you can go over to Etsy.com and just type in digital art and just scroll down to see this. He even gives you Midjourney guide prompts. So people are selling the prompts. So that's what you can do as well. Or you can just create these digital arts. So for example, like this one. And with this one, people can buy this from you. It's a digital download. You don't have to print this out. They will just go and they will download this one after they pay you. And they will print that out themselves. And they will hang it on a wall. But it is some good money, and of course it is for free, because as you can see, $5.75, and this one has already been sold 121 times, and that means that this person got approximately $700. And of course, there's a lot of possibilities. You don't have to stop there. Digital art, wall art, is really, really good. Just take a look at this. It is the same thing. Midjourney, digital art, $3 each, and this one has been sold over 250 times. Now, this shows us that there is a possibility for someone who wants to work. There is a possibility. Opportunity is there. You just have to take it. If you have passion for this, if you think that this can work out for you, just go and grab it. If all these people are doing it, you can do it as well. And then just go and see what people are searching for. So, for example, wall art. Wall art is a really good prompt for Etsy. You can see a lot of people are doing that as well. And Etsy is just a great traffic source. Take a look at this. It has 456 million total visits each month. And that is happening each month on a constant basis. So it is going to sell like crazy, trust me. But of course, do not forget Fiverr. Create yourself a gig right now. And then just invest your time. Blue Willow is free. You don't have to pay for it. You don't have to learn the prompts. Use Bing. Teach Bing to make you the prompts. And that's it. Okay. So totally different strategy and really easy if you ask me. If you just invest your time, you're going to see the results real quick. So to sum it up, bluewillow.ai, join the free beta. You'll be headed to Discord. Make yourself a doggy in front of the Eiffel Tower. And of course, use Bing in order to help you with the prompts. So that's it. Go and grab your chance, guys. It is out there. Go and work for it. Be dedicated. I'll catch you.